Ngwatanio kutetea vata ma Alimu ma sukulu ya sekondari Kuppet niyaungamya Mukomo itina wa kutwaiisya umbano na kwiw'ana na nzama ya kuandika Alimu ya TSC kwana TSC veina vata Mukomo kuungamwa ni kana kunenga mwanya uneenany'a wa kumantha usungio yiulu maundu muutia ala Kuppet yikwenda meaniiwe Benjamin mwaka yuno kutueleza.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Mukomo Alimu ma Kuppet ulawe unamina chuma kimwe ni uungamwa kwi umundi itina wa serikali kwisila kwanza ma kuandika Alimu ya TSC kufikia wiw'ano na nene ma chama ke.
Following the industrial action, the TSC has today held bilateral negotiations with the union with a view to ending the work boycott through alternative dispute resolution as provided for in the recognition agreement between parties. To this end, and after a day-long meeting, we are happy to report to the nation that we have reached an amicable settlement which will enable our teachers resume duty immediately.
Vino wiw'ano wa kuthukumithia CBA yo kwa kilungu cha keli ngiwala uiti vamwe na Alimu kwamba twendeve thisi ile inengetwa mustali wa mbe.
we were also concerned about the compromised medical cover because medical facilities were sending away the teachers, including those who have terminal conditions. We have so far confirmed that even the budgetary allocation, which was reduced to 11 billion, has now been restored. Subsequently, there were issues which were related to promotion of teachers. Promotion of teachers, I think now it found the biggest demand and our concern with the Commission. We are now confirming to our teachers and our members that the portal of that arrangement is now open, and the Teacher Service Commission is looking for funds to promote as many numbers of teachers who have stagnated in their job groups.
Mukomo uwe unamina chuma kimwe na kisomo sukulu ya sekondali kinavalanika vyo kufikia ona TSC athikotini kulasimithia Kuppet yiungamye Mukomo wo.
We want to state that we must show leadership, and that leadership must remove the anxiety that now has engulfed the country as a whole, that our teachers are on the streets and the learners are beginning to go home. The parents have been so anxious because of the industrial action.
TSC ni alumilelie yose amatambia maki meo mwalimu ona umwe ona kutwika Alimu ama inethu kuma kwa chuma keima kuma sukulu mavingwa.
The Commission has agreed with the union that no teacher will be victimized for participating in the industrial action. As you know, our teachers are very hard-working teachers. Of course, we take cognizance of all that, and these are issues that we shall be resolving with our teachers as we go forward, so that all our students, because why we met here today with the union is knowing that those children are greater than all of us combined, and we shall join efforts to ensure that they cover the lost time.
Vilingo mavo kumava kaunti ni lovi. Nita Benjamin mwaka.